Alright, this week I'm unboxing a Primal Collection Radiant Eevee booster box. Contains 8 booster packs and 1 Primal card from Pokémon GO. You can see this thing has a playmat, a Eevee pen, 1 Primal card, and a booster pack, like I said. Now, I'll look at the bottom because I'm going to put the booster pack, the game. And this thing, let's check the back really quick. Radiant Eevee. Interesting. Now I just can open this thing, but I'm not sure making a big mess. Oh, look at the background. They put the it's the outside pen. It's actually pretty nice. It came with this, so you can scan to get the game. And it gives them codes for Pokemon GO that I think I'm probably going to use them right away before the video goes up, so don't even think of trying to get them. Alright, put this thing. Let's look at the mat. Oh, so cute. Nice, and it's good quality. Of course, it says the Pokemon Company, and of course, it makes the Pokemon GO game. This, which no glue. Here we have the Eevee card, nice shiny. The Eevee pen, I like it. And 8 booster packs of Pokemon GO. One, two, three. Oh, something weird's happening outside. These booster packs are pretty nice. Unless I can get a whole entire booster box, of this one. Oh, they only come in special because there was 3 versions. This is the most expensive one. One with Bulbasaur, and I forgot what the other one had. But Radiant was the only Eevee was the only one. Of course, the Bulbasaur pen was waving at you. I'm saving these from now on. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'll beat the back one with a good one. So we got an energy card, which is normal. Oh, we got a mini store GO card. I like it. Focus stop. Alright, that's nice. Oh, cute. Onyx. Another Eevee. And reverse Lapras, and the rare card is, you got a V card already. Nice. I thought I was gonna get something that rare every single booster pack. I forgot to check how much each you know, set this one has. Come on out. The heck? I thought I opened it all the way. If I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy card, did it right. And the package was kind of weird. Slowbro. And oh, cool, got it for the whole set. Slowpoke. What? Wait a minute. Why is the main Pokemon in the background? Like I guess just Photoshop himself. I mean, that was just funny. Pikachu, nice. Oh, I like these ones. Look like Play-Dohs in real life picture of it. Oh, Pikachu for a hat. And the rare card is a Venusaur regular. Nothing that good. I got that. Not always gonna be that great. And I cut this one all the way. Oy. Four, energy card, electric, ooh, got the book pump, trainer card, nice. Oh cool, I like this little guy. Another copy one, another level one, ooh, a Bulbasaur. And oh, got a first holo version. Rare card is regular, rare, so probably is probably the only good one I'm gonna get. And it's like I didn't cut this one all the way either. Did I? 2, 3, 4. The ones I like are reverse energy cards. Steelix. Oh, coin. Rare candy. Wait. Isn't it supposed to be different? And apparently there's only 78 cards of these. So that's not that big of a set. Squirrel, Magikarp, first, and rare card is a Charizard. What is that supposed to be? New York City or Tokyo? Ah, crap, that backwards. Alright, so we got regular rare Blastoise. Oh, got a whole 3 last evolved form of starter Pokemon for the first generation. I think what I'm missing is we got Venusaur, Bulbasaur, and okay, I think Voltoro and the second form of Charizard. Not complete that set, but that's not what I want. 4 and get it right this time. Energy. Another trainer card. Another Venusaur. Oh, Eradicate. Oh. Reverse magic card. Rare card is. Ooh. I like this card. Pokemon. Still not a rare card. You guys gotta check this one. Oh, sucks. Only got one rare card. So these are not really known to get much of rare booster packs, since they give you one front, different trainer card. This one again. Oh, no. Ooh, got all evolution from this Pokemon. Ooh, a reverse trainer card and a rare another B card. Finally, not this, but worth it. Last booster pack, see if we get anything good in the last one. Wait, why is that a black card? What the heck is this thing? Is the sticker? Anybody got idea what the heck's a black card? B-star card? Has the Pokemon Company thing at the bottom, so it's not fake. No idea, I don't get that. But whatever. Bulbasaur, Squirtle, yeah. And, oh, Zapdos. Pretty nice Pokemon, but not a pretty rare card. Nice. Okay, so the 3 rare cards are the one that come with the box. Spider-Verse, and these 2 nice ones. Not the best, I mostly got it because I like this little pin. Alright, that's the end of the video, and if anybody knows what the heck this thing is, please leave a comment below. Alright, see you guys next week. Bye.